beautiful people, it is your girl Angel and Light here with you guys yet again for another video. Welcome to my space. If you're new here, hi, welcome, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Today I will be talking to you guys on how to write your 10-year plan while we are in the season of Kislev. Listen, I know we all get into this headspace where it's like, okay, I don't know what to write, I don't know where to begin, I don't know what I want to do. It's okay. Do not overcomplicate it. It's going to be easier than you think. All you need is a piece of paper, a journal, and a pen. If you don't have a journal, a piece of paper is fine. You could use whatever color you want. You could use the basic white. It doesn't matter. As long as you have a pen or pencil or even a marker, whatever you have to write with, you are already in the right space. For this 10-year plan, what I'm about to share with you guys is literally the easiest way to begin. You could build it up as you go. As long as you get started, that's the most important part. So, for the piece of paper, I suggest you get a piece of paper. And as you can see, I have already done the work, minus 2 years from this piece of paper. That you could put on the back. I took a piece of paper. I folded it into eighths. And just in case you forgot, I will show you guys. I folded it in half. Folded it in half again. And then I folded it down, and boom. This is how I got clean, easy spaces and columns so I can be able to write each year in a box. If you have a journal and you're working from the journal perspective, just put the year on the top of every page. The next thing you're going to do is you're just going to start putting some bullet points. Start off with 5 for every year. Write something down that you want to complete in that year. It could be something like travel to Peru, write a book, lose 20 pounds. I don't know, whatever your 5 things for that year could be. I'm saying 5 only because it's easier for someone to just write 5 things opposed to like 20 things and not feel so overwhelmed. After you write your 5 bullets, break it down into even more detail. Let's just say, let's go off the Peru one, right? If you want to go to Peru, what are some of the things you have to do in order to make that goal, that dream, whatever it might be? So you might have to save money. Let's just say you want to save $1,000 a month. That means under your bullet point, you would write, stop getting your nails done every other week, or stop getting your hair done every other week. Put aside 10% of your income or your check or a service fee or something. Like, let's say you charge $80 for a service. You save $8. That's 10%. Canceling subscriptions. That's another one. You could write that you're not going to order takeout as much. That's another thing. Already in that one bullet point, you've written more details on how you can achieve this thing and get it off your list for your 10-year plan. That's really it. It's not as hard as people might feel like it is. I know when I would sit down and try to write my 10-year, 5-year, all kind of plans, I'd always be like, dang, but what would I do? What do I want? What am I going to do? I would always feel that way. But I feel like we overcomplicate ourselves and then we make it into this huge project when it's really something so simple, so easy. Once you start writing, I kid you not, you will be going at it. Me and Emmanuel sat the other day because we had a blackout under our candle lights because we didn't want to use our phone battery. And we went in. When I tell you we went in together as a married couple and our 10-year goals, that I feel like we really will meet these goals, these dreams, and we'll do all the things that we want to do within this 10-year plan. Want to bring it up to another level? Submit it to Jesus. Tell Jesus, let him in on it, because just because you write your 10-year plan doesn't mean you're including him into this process. For me, y'all know I love Jesus. He's my homie. He's the lover of my soul. He is my everything. So I'm going to submit my plans onto God so that way I know that God is helping me and he's going to direct my path. And he'll probably show me things that I don't even need to have on my 10-year plan anymore because it's not in his will for me, which is great because I'm just trying to live the best life that he has created me to live, you know? So that's what I got for you guys today on my Vlogmas video. I am wearing a light label crew neck. It's not a hoodie, it's a crew neck. So y'all see me out here, okay? Boom. We just a little crusted, but we good. I got Manny's Guyanese chain on because, you know, we got rep our countries, and I got my nameplate from Guyana. So that's what I'm rocking. On the lids, I mixed, what palettes did I use? I used, I think, a Morphe palette, and I think I used the One Size palette. And so your girl's rocking a nice little rose goldy mauve cranberry looking vibe. I like it. I threw on the 25 millimeters on again because I think they're fun, and I'm having a great time playing with makeup. I did something different with my foundation. I've been trying different makeup techniques just because I like my routine, but I'm always willing to try new things and learn new things and do new things. So let's see. If y'all like this face, let me know in the comments. If you like it, let me know. Y'all hear me swallowing a lot. I should have drank water. I know, guys. Just bear with your girl. I'm a work in progress. I'm not always going to have it together. But yes, I hope this video helped you guys start your 10-year plan. As you can see, it's not that deep. You can do it. Be realistic. Be honest. And be willing to change and put the work in, because writing it is the first step. Doing the work is the second step, and those steps really take a lot out of you. I understand if some of you guys are like, yo, that's a lot, like, I don't know if I could do that. Trust me, you could do it. Just go at your own pace, go at your own rate, and you got this, okay? I want to see everybody win. I want to see everyone be successful. Tomorrow I'll be showing you guys how to do some digital vision boards. Yes, digital vision boards for my people out there that are kind of over the magazine cuttings and having people on their vision boards that don't look like them, and buying a magazine and only like cutting out 3 things from the magazine. I got you. I got one that's really, you know, beginner friendly, and then one that's more complicated. One that's more a little hands-on. But I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry I'm swallowing again. I'm sorry I'm smacking. I'm sorry. If you haven't already checked out any of my other videos, click around the screen. Thank you for hanging out with me this evening. I love you guys. Please tag me. Let me know. Share on your stories on Instagram. Tag me that you started your 10-year. Literally, you could take a picture with your piece of paper before you put all your goodies on it and just be like, I'm doing my 10-year plan. My sis Angel out here, she's helping, because I want to see you guys win. I love you guys so much. I pray for you guys. You got this. Don't ever let them dim your light. Remember to always shine. You are beautiful. You are brilliant. God loves you. There's nothing you can do to separate yourself from his love. Go and be your best self. Okay? The only person that you're competing against is your yesterday. Okay? And also, check out Emmanuel's Vlogmas videos. Let me know what y'all think, because I got him out here doing Vlogmas. He was like, Angel, you gonna do Vlogmas this year? And I'm like, okay. And then I thought to myself, you gonna do Vlogmas because I know your goals and I know our 10-year plan. So check out my husband's stuff. I love you guys. That's it. Peace.